TMZ.com. The countdown is on, with about 24 hours remaining until Drake and Kanye reunite as performers, and crews for the spectacle are working round the clock to finish up the massive stage. TMZ has obtained a series of photos taken Wednesday inside LA Memorial Coliseum where the Free Larry Hoover event is scheduled to go down. You can see a massive, elevated platform in the middle of what is usually a grass field. TMZ.com. Sources with direct knowledge say a crew of more than 200 workers has been going non-stop to get the stage finished. We're told the show's budget, an estimated $10+ million, counts for the stage construction/production, space rental, security, event staffers and more. TMZ.com. As for Thursday night's show, our sources say it'll be an environmental experience, the largest ever created, and feature incredible projections throughout. Construction crews have even been seen pouring concrete to build up the foundation. Obviously, Drake and Kanye haven't rehearsed inside the stadium yet, but we're told they've been doing so off-site, and a dress rehearsal will happen before the real deal Thursday. Of course, security has been top of mind for show organizers, given what happened at Astro World, but Terry's no general admission, all reserved seats, and we're told there will be plenty of reinforcements in place to make sure everyone is safe.